Hello everyone. Mosquito. Will Smith has a problem. His house is full of mosquitoes. Every night they bite him. He can't sleep because the mosquitoes constantly bite him. Will needs to get rid of the mosquitoes. He calls his friend David Beckham. He says, "Dave, I need help. I need to come up with a way to kill mosquitoes. Do you have any ideas?" David says, "Well, you could spray them or you could burn them. I'd go with spraying if I were you." Will Smith goes to a hardware store and buys a powerful mosquito spray. He returns home and sprays the chemical everywhere. Unfortunately, he breathes the chemical. He coughs and coughs and coughs. He returns every word. The mosquitoes don't die. He calls his friend Chris Moss. Chris says, "In order to kill mosquitoes, you must eat garlic. When the mosquitoes bite him, they will be killed by the garlic." Will buys a huge bag of garlic at the grocery store. He eats 49 pounds of garlic. Then he goes to sleep. During the night, thousands of mosquitoes bite him, but they all die because of the garlic. When Will wakes up, there are thousands of these mosquitoes on the bed. He asks, "Christmas is genius